How to buy TikTok coins on your TikTok app. Open the TikTok app on your phone. You'll see the TikTok homepage where you can browse through videos and reels. Tap on Profile at the bottom right corner to go to your TikTok profile page. Now, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, those three horizontal lines. From the menu, select Balance. Here you can view your current TikTok coin balance and access related services. Tap on Get Coins or Recharge. You'll see different TikTok coin packages available for purchase. Select the coin amount you want to buy, then tap Recharge at the bottom. Tap Purchase to proceed. Now you'll need to authorize the TikTok coin transaction. Enter your Apple ID password or use your payment method for Android devices to complete the purchase. And that's how you buy TikTok coins to send gifts to your favorite creators during TikTok live streams. If this tutorial helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to App Canvas for more TikTok content like this.